Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily install the MoviePy or the extension for Python in your Windows computer. To begin, go to your search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Windows User Control Account will tell you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can always go ahead and click Yes. As a next step, type exactly this command which you see here, pip install MoviePy and hit Enter. So pip space install space MoviePy and hit enter. Make sure that you are also connected to the internet. The process should begin, and as you can see, it should show at the end successfully installed MoviePy 2.1.2. In your case, it might be even a newer update. To update, run. So we can actually also use this command to update it accordingly. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.